Hey there, Don Wilson here, and I'd like to welcome you to the Amazon training. We're going to do a very basic training, an overall walkthrough here, and show you how to set up your Amazon integration and get going. My goal here is once you're done with the training, you'll know exactly how everything works with the Amazon integration. You'll be able to push your products over to Amazon. You'll know how to set your fulfillment up in an automated way so you don't really have to do a whole lot. And then everything will be taken care of, and you'll be able to have your first product up and going before we're done with the training. So we're going to get right into it. Let me just give you a 30,000 foot view of the basic system, okay? It will get a little more complicated in the pieces, but the first thing you want to do is just to get understand this whole system. Get a simple design created. Now I've seen a ton of things sell on Amazon. Just a text-based design is great to get going. Upload that design to a product on Gearbubble. So just make sure that your design is in a PNG format. Start with mugs. There's certain products that work with the Amazon integration from Gearbubble, there's certain ones that don't. Mugs is the best-selling one to date that works on Amazon, so I would start there. Upload your design to a mug. Then, once you've watched the rest of the training, your Amazon integration will be set up, so I don't really want to cover that here, but this is just the system you do. Get a design made, upload it onto the Gearbubble product, push that product over to Amazon with the app, and then your product's going to start ranking and getting sales. And once the auto-fulfill is set up, those orders come into your order dashboard that I'm going to show you in just a second. We make them, we ship them out to the customer for you, update a tracking number, and that tracking number goes back to your customer, and you keep the profits from every single sale. I think Amazon charges a small per order fee, but you basically build your margin in from what we charge you at Gearbubble for your stuff, and we handle all of the dirty work. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a look around things, but just remember, you're making a basic design, putting it on a product, uploading it to Amazon, ranking it for keywords or terms. It sells. We do all the hard work, and that's basically it. So let me give you a look around so you can kind of know where things are at. The dashboard that you're seeing here, I have a mix of an Amazon integration and a Shopify integration and some old orders that I have in here. But it's very easy to see once things start coming in here. It'll have your shop name that you have set up with your Amazon integration. It'll have the date when it was submitted. It'll see if it's processing or if it's canceled or refunded or anything like that. Mainly what you're going to look for here is a bunch of green that says done. Okay, the quantity's here. The picture of whatever it is that we're selling is there. If it's a mug, it'll look like that. The fulfillment ID helps you look things up. This is a very, very good dashboard that we've used for hundreds of thousands of units. So you can look up pretty much any order that you need to with the stuff that we've got in here. You can look things up by customer name. The most unique thing to look things up by is by a Gearbubble order ID, then the campaign name, fulfillment IDs. There's a lot of stuff once you have a lot of orders in here. If you need a lot of things processed, this helps you look a lot of stuff up. I have 9+ pages in here, so it does help to be able to look up some of this stuff. You can filter by if it's expedited, shipped, unshipped, replacement. There's some different things that you can put in here, but you don't really want to use that too much. You just want to use the search. So on the Amazon side of things, you'll find most of the stuff in here. You go to stores. This is where you have your UPC settings. We'll cover that in a different video. And then the new store, you click this and then click Amazon, and this is where you set up your Amazon integration, which we'll cover in another video. Just giving you a walk around. And then once you have it set up and connected, you'll click connect and it will have all green just like this, and you'll turn autofill on. New orders, you can do individual orders. I wouldn't recommend doing the bulk order fulfillment. The individual orders is very simple, and we've got a video that goes through it. Maybe do the bulk order fulfillment after you've been using this for a few weeks. For some reason, you've got a ton of orders coming in, you can do that. In the dashboard, you can filter things to where if it's only Gearbubble Amazon orders or My Dogs Make Me Happy store, I can filter the actual dashboard or show all orders. So it's pretty simple to kind of get a way about through this thing. If you start to get a lot of orders, you might want to go to this add credit feature. The reason why is if the orders are automatically going to be coming in for you, we should bill you when they come in. But if for some reason it's billing the card over and over because you got a bunch of orders that are coming in and maybe the bank will block the card, you can buy one big bulk amount of credits once you're scaling up. If for some reason that issue happens, you go there and it'll start billing your credits. So hopefully that gives you a pretty decent walk around. I didn't want to go too far into technical spots, but it's a very easy to look through dashboard. You can see your tracking numbers from different things once they've updated in here. You can look through by order ID and everything that you want to, and it's really simple to use. So I look forward to you using this very often, and I will see you in the next video, which I believe shows you how to set up your Amazon integration.